Hello students, how are you? Are you fine? Okay. Welcome dear students, Computer Study Standard 10 English Medium Chapter 3 Handling Images in a HTML. This is your part 2. Today lecture and video is very interesting. Today we are going to learn some interesting topic. How to use image. So let's begin. Now in chapter 1 you are study or learn how to create a hyperlink between two web pages. Before starting this part 2, I explain you previous part 1. It means in previous session I already explained you how to create a hyperlink. So do you know student what is a hyperlink? Hyperlink, it means link where we click and then after the other page is open. So it's called hyperlink. So now in chapter 1 you are study or learn how to create a hyperlink between two web pages. And so many web pages for a link, it was a link. So what was hyperlink? So hyperlink, it was a text. If you click on text, you are able to view some other web page, which was hyperlink. Okay students, do you understand? A hyperlink, it was a text. If you click on text, you are able to view some other web page, which was hyperlink. So how could it be? If you can create image itself as a hyperlink, means suppose if you click any of the image, then by clicking on image you will be able to other web page. So it will be very interesting. It will be very interesting. So it's called hotspot. It's called a hotspot. Now when we visit any of the online shopping sites, in that we are notice there are small pictures display in different icons. So now which over thing we are interested in buying, just look it and click on that icon. Now what happens students, do you know? As soon as we click on that icon, it will open the page containing the detail and information. Just example here I am giving you. Just example here I am giving you. If you open online shopping website, just Amazon. So in Amazon website, you just like any mobile phone. So you click on the mobile phone image. So after clicking, the one page is open, and this page your all detailed information will be displayed. Okay, like a mobile memory, mobile price, mobile delivery, they all the information are displayed into the next web page. So today lecture we will do image as, we will learn image as in a hotspot. It means sorry it means we click on our image and then after the one page is open. After clicking the image, the other web page is open. So here we can learn. So as could be done by applying a hyperlink on each small image. It is done by applying a hyperlink on a small image. This is the thing we learn in practical. This is the thing we learn in our practical. Now, here clickable things is not text. It is the hypertext, but it would be turned on image as a hotspot. It means here a clickable thing is not a text, hypertext, but it will be turned on image as a hotspot. It means you can click on your text. So this is not your hyperlink text. So it is your hotspot. It is your hotspot. So here this small image as a link to other suitable page. So now we move to our practical to display two small size images, and by clicking two image we open a different two web page. It means in your practical I created two image, and that two particular image I click on that image. So the two web pages are open. The bigger size of picture as the same images. So let us we start our practical. First you click on your start button, then after you click your notepad and you start your practical. Before starting your practical, first of all you save your file in your particular drive. Every time I am saving my file in standard 10 computer practical E drive. Okay. So here I am saving my file with the name of image as a hotspot. Okay, now here I start. Here you can first write your basic structure. Here you can write your basic structure. HTML. Then after you write head. Then after you write your title. Here you write learning image as a hotspot. Okay, now here you finish your title. Now you can write here your head tag is finish. Then after here you write your body part and you close your body and you close your HTML. So this is your basic structure. Okay. Here you save your file. Now here you put your image src is equal to apply your path here. Okay, so here I take one picture from my drive. From here I copy my path desert.jpg, Control C. Control C. And then after at here I paste my path. Okay, desert.jpg. Then after you see your image is displayed in your output. Then we do our next step. Here you apply the height of image and width. In previous lecture I already explained you height and width. Then you run your practical. Standard 10. Wait students, due to processor low. Okay, here you can see your output. Okay, image with height and width. Okay, you can easily see your image. Okay, now we move to our other. Here I put also other picture. In my C drive, I copy my path and here I write the name of image Kola. So this is my image name Kola. Koala. Koala. Kola.jpg. Here I also apply height. Okay. Then at here I give a break because I want this image into next line. Then you save your control. Press your control S from your keyboard. You save your file and you run your page. Okay, you can easily see the two image. Now what we do next, we prepare two other page. We prepare two other HTML page because here I am applying a href. So here just I applying ahref is equal to double quotation your page name. Here I apply my page name. One is b1 HTML. So here you complete your tag. At here I also apply b2.html. Then here at last you close your a tag. Here you also close your a tag. Then now what we do, first of all we create images and here we apply a HTML tag. Here we apply a hyperlink. So now what we do, we want to create a two other web page. One is b1.html and another is b2.html. So we start to create a page. So here we open a new file. Then save one file name is b1. Okay, here we write our code. I apply my title, the big image. Then after I close my title tag. Then after I apply here body tag. Then here I close my body tag. In between body tag I write other tag. Here I use h1 tag as a heading. This is a big image. Okay. Now here I close my h1 tag. Then after I apply br. Now here what I do? Here I do image source name. Here I write the source of image file. So what is the name? Here I write image src is equal to double quotation your path. Okay. So from here I copy my path, Ctrl C. Then here I paste my path, Ctrl V. Then here I write one code, big underscore desert dot jpg. It means your image display into your big size. Now here I complete your image tag. At last I finish HTML. Okay. Now we open our first HTML page image as a hotspot and then we can see our practical is done or not. Okay. Right here I click, so it is display my big image. So here some error we can solve. Here some error is displayed, so we can solve our error. Okay, because one mistake in our previous practical image as a hotspot. So at here we open this image in our this file in Notepad. Then here we can solve our error. Here I write small save file. Wait students. Wait for a few minutes. I solve your error. If you anyone find, you can do. Okay, I found my error. Okay, here I apply height and width. In this picture, other picture, we can apply same height and width. Okay, then the other page, we apply our height. Okay, and this page B1, we write our path. Okay, here you apply height and width. Okay, you change your height and width. Then save your file. Then run your page. Okay, here you click, then your image size is changed. Okay, now we create one other page, b2.html. Here I am not repeat your code, I just paste your code, then save as my file b2.html. Okay, here what you do, here you just change your path of Cola picture. Copy your path from the image hotspot page and your b2 page, you paste your path here. Image, you write here image src is equal to double quotation, paste your path, and at here you apply your height and weight because we want big picture. So here we apply height and weight of this image. Then after we compose our image file. Save our picture. Save our file. Then run our main page image as a hotspot. At here you click, your image is display in your big size. From here you just remove this one picture because this b2 file is your only Cola picture. Save your file, refresh your page. You click on your link 1, so this display your one picture. You click on your other image, so it is display your big image. So it is means image as a hotspot. It means in image I applying a one hyperlink, and then after the other page is open. So it's called image as a hotspot. Okay. Now we will learn our next topic from PPT. Image map. Image map. In previous section we have added a link to an image. It means in previous practical we had a link to an image. It is also possible to add a multiple links to an image. It is also possible to apply multiple link in our image. Here each link points to a different reference. It means each links display you different reference. To create a multiple links within a single image, we need to create a multiple clickable location within the image. What we do? We create a multiple links within a single image. We need to create a multiple clickable location within the image. Clicking on such location, a particular reference page can be open. It means you can click your search location and then after the particular reference page can be open. So each such location is called your hotspot. Each location called a hotspot. Consider you have some kind of drawing of an area showing a different place such as a corporate office, shopping mall, temple, police station and fire bridge. On each of these locations, we may create a link that leads to a page containing information about the temple. The link page may some photos, news, brief history about the temple and direction for how to reach temple in case you have a map. Some region of the map like Gujarat, Maharashtra, etc. So can be defined as a hotspot. When one clicks on such hotspots, new web page can be open. It means we can click on such particular link, then the one page can be open. So consider the image as so. The image contains a temple, an office, a mall, a fire bridge and a police station. So these utilities are located on two main roads called Sri M.K. Gandhi Marg, and these all things image map practical I explain you next lecture. Okay students, thanks, have a nice day. Before starting your image map, I drew your image in my pen program and then after I show your image map in your web page. So here I hope you all are understand today topic. So thanks, have a nice day.